Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. How do you set an application to high priority in Windows 11? If you have an application or game that you want to run with the best possible performance, let's see how you can do it. First, open the start menu on your computer or laptop. Type Task Manager in the search box, then click on it to open the app. Now use the search box at the top to look the application you want. If you can't find it in the processor list, make sure the application is currently open or running in the background. For example, I will use the CamTC application for this demonstration. Right click on the app, then click the drop down arrow next to it. Look for the process that using the most CPU resource. In my case, it is the last one in the list. Now right click on the process and select go to details. Once you are on the details page, right click on your application process again, hover over set priority and select high. When the warning message appears, click change priority and confirm. To get the best possible performance, there is one more settings you should tweak. Now open the start menu again, go to settings. This time from the left menu, select system and find and click display. After that, scroll down and select graphics from the list of the menu. You will see list of your application here. Find the app you want to optimize. Click the drop down arrow next to it and set the GPU preferences to high performance. And the app manually if it not listed. If you don't see your desired application in the list, don't worry, you can add it manually. Click add desktop app or browse, then navigate to the application.exe file on your computer by going to the program files or where the app is installed. Then find the exe file and select it and click on add at the bottom. Once it's added, set its GPU preferences to high performance for the best result. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Ta-da!